sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Go! Anyway, pinatay ko na yung aking laptop. Ang init! Wait lang, number 3 na natin siya. Di na ako kumakanta. Matutulog na ba kayo? Yung mascara ko, naghilamos naman ako pero natira pa din siya. Good night, guys. Magpa-podcast ako. I want to... Yeah, I was about to say Hope Says tayo. Kaso kasi parang inaantok na din yung iba. But gusto nyo ba mag-podcast right now? I can give like 10 minutes. 10 minutes na podcast. Kasi na-miss ko. Guys, alam nyo, nagugwa siya ako. Pinapasa yung mukha ako. Tulog na si Kurt. Yes, kanina pa. Nakatulog siya. Shoutout from Qatar. Huy! Panis International. Qatar! Hello po! Fave episode mo ng Dolce Amore. Oh my gosh, madami. Pero gusto ko yung, alam mo, gandang-ganda ko kay Serena. Yung hinatid siya ni Ken ni Tenten sa may hotel. Like yung first time na na-starstruck ni Ken. Tapos parang yung inaayos niya yung shoutout from Kuwait. Hello Kuwait. Abu Dhabi, Canada, Saudi, Nueva Ecija. Shoutout sa Bacolod. Shoutout sa Laguna, guys. Soft lang kasi hometown ng bebe ko yan, guys. Hello po sa mga Laguna. Sana po welcome po ako dyan pag napunta po ako dyan. Pero ako, guys, masaya lang ako, guys, kasi taga Laguna ka? Pugi. Hindi ka napapakita. Ano pa yung isa ko nawawala na? Wait lang, may nawawala ako na ano. Punta ka na soon. Hope says, welcome to Hope Says. Guys, parang gusto ko mag-live. Alam niyo kung ba't ako inaantok, guys? Kasi nakabukas yung ilaw. Mabilis ako antukin, guys, pag nakabukas yung ilaw. Pag nakapatay ilaw, matagal ako makakatulog. Wait lang. Patay natin yung ilaw. Giving. See? Go! Ganyan tayo. Mag-Hope Says tayo ng ganito. Guys, humiwalay na naman yung lipstick ko. Sorry guys, lagi ako naka-lipstick na filter tsaka blush on kasi lagi ako maputla. Thank you, Sign! Thank you for the rose! Okay guys, magtanong-tanong kayo dyan. Go, mag-hope says tayo. Gusto ko yung hope says natin ngayon, like, gusto ko yung parang kakwentuhan ko lang kayo, like, ka-busy ko kayo, ganun. Isa-isa natin yung mga tanong. Number 1, how do you handle bashing lately? Ako, it's important na, well, first, I don't get as affected like before. Before kasi guys, nanibago ako eh. Like, before sobra akong mag-explain, sobra akong magsagot-sagot sa mga nagbabash kasi yan, medyo people pleaser pa ako nun. Tapos, nanibago ako kasi first time ko ma-expose sa ganong side ng industry. But now, I think I handle like yung pangbabash or yung troll or yung mga negative comments, yung mga bastos in a way na at the end of the day, what matters is I know myself and the people who loves and cares for me knows me and knows what kind of a person I am. And it's not my responsibility to please everybody. And it's also important to have a strong support system, and by that you don't need a lot of people. You just need someone who you can talk to like about the things na ganon. Like, for instance, sometimes nung nandun ako sa Cavite, I talk to my mom about it. Most of the time right now, I get to talk to Kurt about it, like mga negative comments, and siya naman yung nag-remind sa akin na whatever happens, you just stand for what is true and what is right. Like, you don't need to explain yourself to everybody. So, ayun, that's how I'm dealing with it lately. Kasi, hindi naman mauubusan ng negative na sasabihin sa'yo yung mga tao. Like, no matter what good you do, when you do something wrong, kahit isa lang yan, or not even wrong, but something that they wouldn't like, hanapan at hanapan ka nila ng butas. So, alam nyo guys, in real life, tsaka ito pa, in real life, tayo mismo, like, yung mga hindi influencer, yung mga hindi artista, meron din naman kayong sariling basher. Like, what I mean is that there will always be people who will have something to say about you. And there will always be people who will talk bad about you and sisiraan ka. The only difference is that kami, we're influencers, we're artists, but I just take it in a way na it's normal for not everybody to like me. Ganun na lang. I don't take it as like basher. I just look at them as like normal people that doesn't like me. Hi, Prexy! Wait lang. Next is course ko. I'm going to enroll. I'm planning to... Well, I'm second year tourism student, but I'm planning to shift. Hopefully, makapasok ako medtech or nursing. Anong advice mo sa mga taong pinipilit yung sarili nila sa taong ayaw nila? It's easy to say to know your worth, but I'm really not the kind of person kasi na nag-a-advise ng mga too cliche. For me, when I see somebody that forces themselves into someone who doesn't like them, I don't put the blame on them. Like, sino bang taong gusto na pinipilit yung sarili nila sa ayaw nila? Like, for sure that person wants to detach from that person already, but you cannot blame them for trying to stay and for trying to work things out. So instead, what I tell them is that, just keep on trying. Let it hurt, like, the pain, let it hurt you until ikaw na mismo yung mapagod, until ikaw mismo yung bumitaw, until you realize your worth, until you realize na if this is the best that it could get, would I settle for this kind of treatment? If this person makes me feel like I'm unwanted and I always have to prove my value, do I want to really stay with that person? Like, ang dami-daming tao sa mundo. 8 billion people, more than pa. And you think, isa lang yung isang tao na yun lang yung para sa'yo. There's always somebody better. So I always try to remind them that na it's okay to love, but you have to remember that the world is bigger. And you're young, you will meet a lot of people. Even if you're 40, even if you're 50, there's still a chance for you to find the right person. At the same time, you have to remind yourself na, sometimes the love that you're looking for is just yourself. I read something na parang sabi niya, if only parang you realize na you keep on looking for love with other people, but you take care and feed of stray animals, you feel bad for abused or disrespected public servants or waiters, you feed or you help and donate to street children, you help kahit wala ka na masyado, you're there for your friends. Sometimes when you look at things like that, you realize na all my life, I've been looking for love at other people when the love that I'm looking for at the end of the day is me. And when you finally get that security, it will be so much easier na hindi mo na depende yung love na yun sa ibang tao. Because you already have it in you. So that's something that I just advise to other people. How's your life nung nakilala mo si Kurt? Happy. I'm very happy. Like I said, I'm in a very happy place. Like, I'm still going through a lot of things. I wouldn't deny that. Sobrang dami ko pa din like mga pinagdadaanan and I need to parang sort out. Di naman nauubusan yun, but like sometimes iniisip ko, like kanina, iniisip ko yung studies ko, yung sa tirahan ko, family ko, career ko. And like, pag iniisip ko na, when iniisip ko na sometimes na, is God really answering my prayers? Or like, is God really hearing my prayers? Sometimes I look at the people that I care for. I look at my mom. I look at my siblings. I look at Kurt. And then, especially like si Kurt, I look at him. And then sometimes I realize na he was once a prayer too. So, I guess God really listens. And God really hears me out. And I just need to be patient about it. So, parang, how's my life since Kurt came? Nadagdagan yung mga naging isa siya sa mga reminder ko of God's faithfulness. I think that's the best way to put it. Like, mahirap man, but life may not be so easy on me, but it could have been harder if he wasn't around, if my family wasn't around. Sa lahat ng napanood ko sa Accessory segment, kayo lang nag-workout ni Kurt. Yeah, because it's genuine. At lang, nagka-backread ako. What can you say about sa beso issues, especially for you? Kasi yung searchy number 2 nakapag-beso sa'yo. It's hard to talk about something when you're not there. Sila lang naman yung nakakita nun, but like, yung sa akin kasi, si Rogie, nagpaalam kasi siya, like, he asked, so, I wasn't, naman, or anything, but, personally, I'm the kind of person kasi na, I am a beso, I'm mabate ako with everybody, like, even, for example, like, if you're a supporter, like, a fan, ako pa mag-i-initiate na i-hug ka or i-beso ka, so, not a big deal for me. I think, there were parts that was unnecessary, but, alam mo yun, I hope that they get to deal with it, pero, sa akin lang, it did not need to be as problematic as, like, the situation, like, it did not need to be that makalat. It's something that could be dealt and talk about privately, and wala kasi, I don't know, I think the hosts also reacted based on how the girl reacted. Kasi napanood ko yung video, medyo umiwas siya. So, siguro na-provoke. But, you know, I also believe na walang masamang intention si Axel. So, it's really a conversation between them. And I hope that they work things out. Hi, Captain! Wait lang. Should I? Wow, may captain dito. Hero, ikaw ba to? Huwag ka na pumila. Sino yan? Pila sa huli. Ha? Sinong captain? Uy! Oh no. Hi, nag-hold ka pa ba ng grudge sa papa? Tapos, that's deep. Di ko nabasa ko ng tuloy-tuloy, Not grudge. I wouldn't say grudge kasi I wouldn't say grudge. I always say kasi na I always say like no matter what happened, like kahit we don't talk anymore, lagi ko nire-remind sa sarili ko na at the end of the day, I want him to feel that if he ever wakes up like one day and then has a change of heart, I will always welcome him back. And I will forgive him. And I won't remind him of the things that happened anymore. I always say that na all he needs is to come back. So I don't think I have like a grudge. But siguro more on disappointment in a way na when he left kasi, I thought he's coming back agad. But he didn't, so kamukha mo si Aya Sabinin. Naku po. Actually, may nagsabi nga, pero ang layo, guys. Ang ganda si Aya. Tsaka makapal kilay niya. Yeah, close kami ni Yumi. Super close kami ni Yumi. Sige lang guys, ask lang tayo magbaback dito. Who do I look up to? I look up to to a lot of people. Not just one person. But it depends if it's career or if it's how they are as a person. You know, you sometimes you meet people and then you wish that sana you grow up to be even half of who they are. Yung ganon. Then you know, sometimes that happens, you meet someone and then you wonder, no, na parang I wish I could be at least half of the person that you are. Ganun. I have a lot of people in mind na I look up to in different aspects in life. Ask lang kayo. Huwag ko yun naantok. Share mo na yung fun fact. Dati guys, kasi mahilig ako gumawa ng mga song cover. Tapos, wala akong mic. Wala akong pambili kasi yung mic. Yung pangarap yun dati, yung recording na mic. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag. Condenser microphone, ganon. Tapos, yun yung time na super hirap kami sa life. So, ginawa ko. Saka gustuhan kong makagawa ng cover na may echo-echo. Yung lata ng, alam nyo guys, yung rolls, basta para siyang lalagyan ng stick o pero lata. Tapos, chocolate siya. Tapos, may ganun kami. Tapos, ang ginagawa ko, pag ubos na yung laman ng stick o na yun, itatabi ko yung lata. Tapos, yung lata na yun, iti-tape ko siya sa stand. Tapos, lahat ng angle ng song covers ko is nakaganyan. Kasi, hindi ko pinapakita yung lata nandito. Para may echo yung pagkanta ko, para ako naka-mic. Wala lang, yun lang naman yun. Yung video ko ng titibo-tibo, sobrang halatado na nakatagilid ako. Yung bloopers, oo nga pala, kalimutan ko. Yung reaction ng fam ko, hindi ko pa na-edit eh. Mas nakakatulog ka ba kapag bukas yung ilaw? Oo, nakakatulog ako. Wala na ba kayong i-ask? Pinaka nakakatawang nangyari sa'yo in public? Nakakaya sabihin. Sige, ito na lang. Like, open naman ako. Kasama ko dito yung isa ko na friend. Si Via. Hindi siya public, pero nangyari siya sa labas. Tapos, ang love trip talaga nun. Like, sobrang love trip nun kasi papunta ako sa may shoot ako nun, may modeling shoot ako. Tapos siya, saan ba siya galing nun? Basta sabay kami umuwi. Tapos siya, pauwi na siya sa condo niya. Ako, may modeling shoot ako. Tapos, dapat mag-MRT kami. Tapos sabi namin, taxi na lang. So, nag-taxi kami. Habang nasa taxi ako, nakamaong ako na pantalon. Tapos, light washed yun. So, light lang yung color ng pantalon ko. Tapos, habang nakaupo ko, listen kami sa music. Tapos, kwento-kwentuhan kami. Ganyan. Tapos, biglang may naramdaman akong kakaiba. Habang nakasakay ako sa may taxi, magkatabi kami ni Via sa taxi sa likod. Tapos, matanda na yung driver. Tapos, traffic. Late na ako. Tapos, naramdaman ko, guys, hulaan nyo kung ano nangyari. Hulaan yung nangyari. Kahit may makahula lang sa inyo. Kahit 3 comment lang. Just, ano yung naramdaman ko. Like, 3 comment lang. Ma-amaze ako talaga pag may nakahula sa inyo. Kung ano yung naramdaman ko. Oh my God! May nakahula. Guys, habang nakaupo ako, bigla akong dinatnan. Like, oh my God, yung suot ko na pants, yun yung gagamitin ko sa shoot. So, nararamdaman ko na bigla ako dinatnan. Tapos, grabe yung panic namin ni Via. Tapos, tawa kami ng tawa sa likod. Tapos, si tatay kasi, medyo mahina na yung pandinig ni tatay. So, kami, nagbubulungan lang kami ni Via kung ano gagawin. Wala siyang dalang napkin. Wala rin akong dalang napkin. Kasi nga, biglaan. Tapos, ang ginawa namin, traffic, diba? Sakto, yung nahintuan namin na part, may bangketa. Tapos, na bangketa, may nagtitinda ng napkin. Tapos, bumili si Via ng napkin. Be, nakakahiya. Like, nag-napkin sa taxi. Ang nangyari, buti na lang, meron kami dala na jacket. May dala kami na jacket, tapos meron pa siyang, may dala na jacket, tapos may dala pa ako na isa pang sweater kasi nga, mag-shoot ako. Go guys, takip kami dun sa may likod ng taxi para lang hindi ako tagusan. Like, as in, yun ang definition ng girlhood. Like, girlhood. Grabe. As in, sobrang love trip ng memory na yun. Ay, grabe talaga. As in, alam nyo, sobrang sakang na loob ko kasi nag-shoot ako nun, tapos meron tagos yung pants ko. Ginawa ko yung jacket ko, tinali ko na lang sa may ano ko. Tapos sobrang gulo namin. Tapos si kuya, yung driver, nonchalant lang. Kasi hindi niya kami naririnig, kasi medyo mahina na yung pandinig ni tatay. Abuti na lang, kasi kundi, nakakaya talaga pag naalala ko. Anong shade ko sa AC Hydra Gloss? Cowgirl. Yung nakita ko lang sa TikTok din yun eh. Pero gusto ko din yung lip plumper ng Detail Cosmetics in the shade Rose Latte. Yan yung lagi ko nagamit. Aga-aga daldal mami pasi siya. Bye Decibels. Hi Ate, so far, what are the best traits of Kuya Kurt that you really like? yung I think na-prove ko siya kanina in a way na like he's affectionate or like he's expressive when it's just the both of us, but he's also as expressive when there are other people around. Like he's not embarrassed or he's not trying to act tough or he doesn't act differently when other people is around. And I just appreciate that so much. Hindi ka talaga naubusan energy. Talaga, Ozzel, hindi talaga. CDF, bakit ka matutulog? Bakit? I have class later. Where? So, ayun. Hindi siya... Walang slight change na nangyayari. Like, how he is with me when it's just the two of us is also how he is with me when there are other people around him. When I'm in a place na circle niya, for example, his friends or his co-artists or his workmates or his family, like, he never did I feel na I was being left out. He's the first person who will always check up on me. Or sometimes magkakasama yung friends niya or like yung circle niya, and then he would rather just stay with me than to mingle with anyone kasi ayaw niya na ma-feel ko na ma-OP ako. So I think that's one of the traits na I appreciate, and how generous he is without making you feel like may utang na loob ka or like you owe him anything. Like as simple as paying for the food when we're together. Sanay ako na KKB, like sanay ako na I pay for my own. I've dated guys where I had to they will take me out on a date but KKB and stuff. So lagi ko sinasabi kay Kurt before na I'm just gonna pay for mine or stuff, and he never lets me. And not just that, but like ang linya ko kasi before is that okay, wag mo na ako sunduin, wag mo akong daanan, wag mo na ako ihatid, wag mo na ako hintayin makauwi. Kasi sanay ako to do all of those things on my own. Don't pay for my food, don't pay for ganito, ganyan. But he does everything at his own, like kusa, without me having to ask. Like he's just always the type na I know you can but let me, ganun. He's the type of guy I know you can but let me do it for you. And yung one thing na hindi ko makakalimutan na sinabi niya is that you don't need to act tough when you're with me. So, I think one of the things then na I like is how feminine I can be with him. Ganun. Nagalit si architect. Thank you, Ann. Ano favorite ko ng Filipino food na ulam? Adobong pusit, adobong manok, adobong atay balon-balunan, Bicol Express. Yun yung mga paborito ko na Filipino food. Doon ka sa far away. At saka guys, like, alam mo, guys, wait lang. Gusto ko talaga yung pag ganito na parang parang best friend ko lang kayo, tapos nagkukwento-kwento lang ako. Like, another thing, guys, is that I never felt ugly. I always say that. I think sinabi ko na to sa past life ko, but kailangan kanina, like, pagkagising ko, nagka-call kasi, tapos, nung nag-call siya, nung nalaman niya na nagising na ako, nag-call siya, tapos, the first thing that he said was like, "Hi, ganda. Hi, beautiful. Good morning." Gumaganon siya. Tapos, cute lang kasi, like, simple words like that. Like, very early in the morning, I'm thankful kasi I get to start my morning na may ganong positive word about me. So, parang the whole day, I felt like, yun yung dala ko na energy na naman ako nakaayos or anything. Tapos, kanina sinundo niya ako. Sabi ko, sa on the way na lang ako magme-make, tutuloy yung makeup ko. Kasi ang makeup ko lang kanina, kilay lang, tsaka eyeliner. Wala pa akong blush on, wala pa akong lipstick, wala pa akong mascara, eyeshadow, walang contour, ganyan. Tapos di pa ako nakaayos ang hair. Tapos sabi niya, "Hindi ka pa nakaayos niyan? Maganda ka na eh. Maganda na yan. Okay na yan." Sabi niya, "Pwede na yan. Labas tayo ng ganyan ka. Maganda ka." Pero ni-assure niya din ako, sabi niya, "But if you would feel more confident na mag-aayos ka, go lang. But for me, okay na yan." So, it feels nice and healthy to be with someone who doesn't pressure you to look like a certain person. So, parang mas na-inspire ako to take care of myself. Like, not out of pressure, but yung ganito na itsura ko, he already appreciates it this much, then what more in the future if I improve more, like, physically, ganyan. Well, it's cute. Little things like that. Like, nagkukwento ko kanina, sabi ko, babalik ako sa may derma tomorrow. Papatanggal ko yung parang maliit ko dito na mga bigote, tapos laser. Tapos sabi ko, mapapapayat na din ako. Tapos sabi niya na bakit daw pati ito yung favorite niya na part sa akin. Tapos yung balbon ko, kasi nung nag-meet kami, balbon ako eh. Tapos sabi niya na wag ko na daw ako masyado magpapayat. Sabi niya, sa kain ka na lang bumabawi. Maintain mo lang yan. You look healthy, ganyan. Lala, ang cute. Super na-appreciate ko yun na. At the end of the day, I will still do it kasi I will feel more confident with myself. But it's so nice to be with someone na hindi ako pinipressure to change anything about me, like physically. Red hair na ako ulit. Mahirap i-manage ng red hair, lalo pag nag-fade. Parang sobrang simple lang ni Kurt yan. He's a simple, caring, responsible, and loving guy. Yan, nag-blonde hair ako dati. May nagawa na po ba siya na ayaw kayo? Wala naman. Siguro yung one time na nag-alala kami sa kanya nila Lance na kasi na-busy siya sa school, tas hindi siya nagparamdam kasi was stressed. But other than that, wala naman. Kailan mag-watch ng Inside Out? Magda-double date daw eh, sabi. Maraming orig na buko dyan ay bukas na bukas. He did not perform. He promoted, but I was there and I took videos of him. Ang cute lang kasi pagbaba niya ng stage, the first thing na he did was he was looking for me, naka-video, and then dumiretso siya sa akin. So cute. Nag-blonde hair ka na ba dati? Yeah. You have plans to magpa-braces ulit? Meron. Ayaw din niya. Nakukyutan siya sa sungki ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But ayaw ko sa sinigeng-geng. Asim be. Asim nalapot pa be. Tampuhan moments. We don't really get tampo. You know, we always talk about it like, ang cliche pakinggan, but when we talk, he's always the type who's like, sasabihin niya na parang I'm trying to say this po sa pinakakalmado na way kasi I don't want to hurt you in any way. Ganun siya, like pag magme-message siya about something, sobrang soft-spoken, like sasabihin niya yung if may hindi siya nagustuhan or ganito ganyan, he will communicate it properly. And then ako, pag naman on my side, I will always tell him that parang no matter what happens, I don't want that umabot sa point na we say unnecessary things to each other kasi at the end of the day, magkaiba man tayo ng approach, we're still on the same team. That's exactly what I told him. We're still on the same team and we still want the best for each other. Magkaiba lang tayo ng approach. Ganon. So it's always a healthy argument or like a healthy conversation with him. Not really an argument na eh. Kailan ka huling nagselos? I don't have reasons to. Because he's very open. Like kanina, may nag-notif sa kanya sa TikTok. And then, I didn't ask about it, but in-explain niya. Sabi niya, this is my friend, nag-send ng TikTok. Like, sabi ko, okay. Ganun siya, or pag di siya magpipick up ng call, he's gonna say na, he's gonna be on Discord playing or studying with Nox, sila Gerard, and he's gonna send proof. Tapos minsan may gantong moment pa siya na, can we play? Like, okay lang ba if mag-play kami sa, mag-valo kami? Ang kasama ko lang po, puro boys. Tapos isa-isahin niya kung sino yung mga kasama niya na puro boys. Or sometimes, when we're together, he's gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, yung katulad, the last time na, we were, tawag doon, na sinundo niya ako, and then, nag-play ng music, tapos, sabi niya lang na, you get my phone, tapos, inopen niya, then he let me just go through, and then sabi niya na, ikaw na lang mag-cue ng music, tapos ako yung taga-check niya, like, sa ways, yung ganon. So, I don't have reasons to, like, get jealous or overthink. Because I remember before, sabi niya na, if ever it comes to a point na I get uncomfortable, he is willing to unfollow everybody and just follow one person. Or if di ako papayag daw, unfollow everybody, just follow 10 people, his family, me, and sila lang. So, wala lang. Okay na ako sa ganong reassurance. Not celosa, but I'm kind of I used to be territorial before kasi I've been cheated on. Yeah, I've been cheated on twice. Like, people that I've dated cheated on me and like dami secret sa akin. So there was a point na I'm such an overthinker and territorial. So secret, he's like a breath of like fresh air talaga. Because I really don't have any reasons to overthink. Kanina, totoo yun, kasi once nakapagbitaw ka na ng resume, hindi mo na mababawi. That's what they always say. My most ideal type of date, like, sa house, even with the family or friends, okay ako. But if it's just the two of us, okay ako sa house, and then movie, like horror or like rom-com, and then merong buldak, or pizza, or ramen, then ice cream. This it's kind of cold. Yun yung ideal date ko, like yung cozy, alam mo yung like may Christmas lights, tapos may movie, tapos meron kami ng comfort food namin, it's just the two of us. Ganun lang ako. Sobrang masaya na ako dun. Like, that's my, like, ideal date. Mark, bakit kising ka pa? Kailan po kayo mag-vlog? We'll try as soon as we can. Nag-vlog kami kanina, but like, puto lang, baka itutuloy pa namin. Hindi naman, wala makasasabi, Mark. Ideal man. Someone who speaks the same language as me. Like, yung I don't need to translate everything that I feel in order for him to understand. Somebody who gets me. Someone who is close to God or has a personal relationship with God. Okay ako yung nilalapit ko siya kay God. Okay yung I bring him closer to God, but I also want him to have the initiative to develop a healthy relationship with God. Someone who has goals in life, yung hindi nagsasayang ng oras, and understands where my grit is coming from. Yung same passion. Someone who's respectful, a gentleman, and appreciative of the little things, and hindi siya mayabang. Yung he recognizes that whatever he has is out of privilege and like blessing kay God. So it's not something that he brags about. Hi, Sidam. Uy, grabe, wala ako sinabi na 7 yan. Hi, Ariza Isabel. You're so pretty. What's happening right now? Giselle. Hi, Giselle. Hi, Ashnia. Di ba parang ka-VC ko lang kayo? You're welcome, Marisa. You are pretty. What if pansinin mo ako, Ate Hope? Hello. Hi, Ayabels. Go ask questions, guys. It's more comfortable to, kasi sometimes like kanina nag-live, tas umabot ng 1.9k viewers, nag 2k ata. So, sometimes it's not easy to open up about things like this. So, pag ganito lang tayo kakonte, minsan masaya din. What do you want to do? Hi, say hello. What do you want to do more with Kurt? More quality time. I want more simple and spontaneous dates. Like, kasi gusto ko kasi, like, we become each other's safe space in a way na he's very studious and sometimes he gets stressed with his studies a lot. And ako naman with my personal problems, like in life. So, gusto ko yung we get to do things that nakakalimutan namin yung mga problem. Like, yun, sabi ko, like, watch a movie together, try new food, listen to more music together, sing together. Tapos, travel sana in the future, in the near future. Yun yung plan. Kahit local muna. Get yung mga Tagaytay. Pero like yung mga spontaneous na mga road trip. Si Kurt kasi, mahilig yan siya sa off-road. So, I know na that's something na he would enjoy. See you on Saturday sa Market. OMG, Camille, you're coming. Ano po ganap kanina? We were together kanina. Good night, Leah. Hindi kayo nag-church together? Ako kasi guys, I attend a Christian church but I already invited him and he already said yes, but natong mga nakaraan kasi last Sunday, diba natong last Sunday lang sila umuwi from Pampanga, tas last Sunday naman was there, I think nagawa siya ng AutoCAD, so it was the whole day. Last Sunday, family. Hindi lagi nagtutugma yung Sundays namin, but he never declined naman going to church. He also wants, and I appreciate that. Pretty mo, thank you, Ariza. You too. So, naulang puti mo naman, be. Anong gamit mong sabon? Do you read books? Yeah, guys, marami akong libro. Saan ba yung mga libro ko? Wait lang, kukunin ko. Yung mga malalapit lang sa akin na libro, so it's not a lot kasi yung iba wala dito. But, ito yung this. I also have The Fault in Our Stars, 13 Reasons Why, the Harry Potter, Da Vinci Code, Mortal Instruments. Yeah, nilagay ko sa libro eh. At saka, sino dito nakakalam ng Project Loki? It's Wattpad eh. Wattpad ba yun? Project Loki, basta yun lang yung Tagalog book na nagustuhan ko. Course reveal? Tourism, second year. Lahat po ba binabasa mo? Ayoko lang guys yung mga sci-fi na boboringan ako. Ayoko nung alien. Fun fact guys, hindi ako mahilig sa alien. Tsaka sa zombie, hindi din. Oh my god, gusto ko gawin yung trend na yan. Mark, puti pinaalala mo yung Miyuki is not Miyuki without. Oo, ito yun. Ito yung may flavor din ng mango. Oh my god, ang galing mo yung malambot yung para marshmallow. Yung O-Puff ba yun? Yeah, O-Puff. Hindi. For marshmallow. Ha, may chocolate guys. Ito lang yung alam ko. Sorry. Guys, alam niyo natutunan ko na skill this year. Netong 2024 ko lang natutong magbukas ng gamit ngipin. Da. Ang dami eh. Hindi ko alam yun eh. Ube lang na try ko tsaka mango. May matcha din. Hindi pa. Minsan ito na kinakain ko buong araw eh. Nurse po ako. Sana maging mabait ka na doctor in the future. Oo naman. Alam nyo, yung mga nurse, guys, baka nga mag-nursing yung kunin ko, guys. Alam nyo ba? Ang laki ng tulong nyo, hindi lang sa Philippines, buong mundo. Lalo mga Filipino nurses. So, your hard work should not go unrecognized kasi yung mga doktor, they will not be able to do it on their own. Like, it's gonna be hard if wala kayo to assist them and to help them. So, you guys, you nurses matter just as much as doctors do. Always keep that in mind. Just because you do not go to med school or you do not have like an MD at the end of your name, you're not just a nurse or you're not just an utusan. And I promise when the day comes na I'll be a pediatrician or a neurologist, I will be a kind doctor to everybody. At kahit mag-feed sa patay araw-araw. Hi, Jaja! Okay na, shoutout na yan. Lexa, hindi ka matutulog kasi gising pa ako. Kita niyo, nagpapangahan na. Wait lang guys, ha? Medyo wala pa. Bukas babalik ako. Thank you, Milky. You're welcome, Ashlia. Hi, sis. Ba't ka matutulog? Ba't ka nag-good night? Milky is not Milky without abangan mo, Mark. Gagawin ko yung trend na yan. Wait lang, bago ko matulog. Live kayo ni Chano? Sino si Chano, be? Andito pa din si Killer Smile, oh. Andito ka pa din, El? Huh? Fave Celine, you're still here? Anong oras tayo matutulog lahat? Ay, wag ako ang tanongin nyo kasi hindi ko yan ginagawa. Do you plan on working abroad? Right now, hindi siya yung concrete plan, but I'm not closing my doors kasi ang pangarap ko lang talaga, guys, is mapatayuan ng bahay si mama. Gusto ko lang talaga na mabigyan sila ng maayos na life and syempre, itatry ko muna dito sa Pilipinas para hindi ko kailangan lumayo. Pero pag dumating sa point na mas may magandang opportunity abroad, kakayanin. Ano, Lia, diba? Niloloko mo sarili mo. Ask ko lang po if anong feeling magkajowa ng mas patanda po sa atin. Well, all of the men that I've dated was older than me. And yung isa, diba, is yung sa Showtime. Mas super old yun sa akin. But I think it has its own pros and cons. Like, pros in a way that they're already ahead of life in a way na sometimes they get to guide you or they get to, like, teach you. Because they've already been at the shoes where you're at. Or at the situation you're at. But also, at the same time, I think more on cons kapag masyadong malayo yung age gap because one, you guys are not in the same wavelength. It's hard to understand someone when you're not going through what you're currently going through at that moment. Iba kayo na ng interest. You know, yung isa dyan ready na to settle down, yung isa medyo gusto pa ng freedom and gusto pa mag-explore. So yeah, if you fall in love with somebody older than you, just make sure na you're of legal age and you actually love each other, you know? It's not about the age naman all the time, especially when you guys are like, adults na. Mahirap ma-detach sa Kumigat Super Beast. Ba't kayo nagsisame kay Lia? Ano ba sinabi ni Lia? Ay, matutulog na daw siya. Age doesn't matter. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. It's really a conversation between you and your partner. It's kayo lang makakapagsabi niyan if it matters or if it doesn't. Because I've also seen people who are in the same age but doesn't work out as well. Kasi because of they're going through the same in life, minsan nagka-clash. So depende siguro. Happiest place on earth whenever I'm with my family or loved ones or Kurt. Parang kanina. Yuki, marunong ka mag-Nihongo, not that fluent. Di ka po napagod ko nino, onti lang. What if may offer sa'yo, like, hello, love, goodbye, level, tapos you need, Hoy, wag naman ganyan, ang tanong mo, Mark. Wag naman ganyan tanong mo. If mga hello, love, goodbye level, Mark, syempre yung pipiliin ko kasi blockbuster yun. Pag blockbuster yun, ibig sabihin, malaki yung kikitaan. Pag malaki kinita, edi may pang tuition ako. Di makakapag-aral ako nang di ako napapatulong na sa ibang tao. Di na ako nakabahala o natulong ako pa mama ko. E 47 AM. Wala pong half si Yumi. First language ko, well, I grew up talaga. When I was younger, I really can speak Japanese. Like, that's something that I'm more fluent in than Tagalog. But then, when my mom left kasi, I was left with my cousins, my uncles, and my grandparents at Batangas. Everybody was, of course, talking in Filipino, and because of that, I really forgot how to speak in Japanese. Because that was years also that I didn't get to speak, and I was young at the time. I'm planning to take the OSTET, so probably not this, but this coming. This next OSTET, I'm gonna take it. Actually, napanaginipan kita kasama ni Catherine Miss BF. Ay, talaga naman, Mark, pag yan hindi na totoo, ay babalikan kita. Arigatou gozaimasu. Toyotoshimashite. Happy birthday, Lexa. Uy, birthday mo kanina lang, matutulog ka na eh. Yes, I'm okay, Bruno. Thank you. What are the universities po and choices niyo for this upcoming school year? So, my first choice is UST. Second is LaSalle. The LaSalle HSI. Third one is UERM. And fourth one is Ozel, bumalik ka na naman. Matulog na ikaw. Nanood din ako na Forevermore, be. Naniwala ako sa kambal na strawberry na yan. Hindi mo lang alam. Sayonara! Hi, Chadlin. Lagi pong pasok sa top notcher ang UST pag board exam ng nurses. Grabe na pressure naman ako dun, be. But yeah, I'm gonna start reviewing. I'm gonna have to start studying na to prepare for those stats. So, please pray for me na makapasa. Naka-sleep call kami kanina kaso nawalan ako ng signal. So, I had to, nag-live na lang ako kasi nag-end ng kusa eh. Good morning, Jasmine. May aso po kayo nasa Cavite. Mga na-addict kayo ba? Sino si Mo? Anong masasabi mo na kamukha mo si Agnes? Dahil wag ganyan. Wag ganyan. Inikilig ako. Tuto ako sa ganyan. Like, ang layo talaga. Gusto ko yung chinek ko din. Are you open on working with your exes tapos love triangle with Kurt? No. I will never put him in a position na he might feel uncomfortable. So, no. Kahit malaki na pera pa yan. Ayoko yung no choice siya na kailangan niya pakisamahan or stuff. I will never put him in that position. Fan ako ng this Ken Sobra. Yung nasa Showtime ka, Liza, talaga ka. Magawag talaga. Ulitin ko nga yung makeup ko tomorrow. Then, galo ko ba pumunta sa concert ng binigay? I'm too broke for that. Asa si Kuya Kurt? Tulog siya. Tulog. Guys, I might have to end the live na kasi bumabalik yung mga pasa ko sa katawan ko. I'm not sure how can I pakita it, but like, I'll try to send a broadcast channel. Actually, I don't have to, but malalaki siya. So, anemic kasi ako, guys. May free, di ako inantok, guys, pero kasain kasi anemic ako. Tsaka, bigla-bigla ako nagno-nosebleed. So, pinapakiramdaman ko din. Medyo nag-aano na yung nose ko. Ituloy na lang natin ito. Magpapasticker ako sa my IG. Yung hope is not hope without. Sasagutin ko lahat. Hala, totoo. Grabe naman yung nagsampahan. Kasi gusto makeup, hindi ko naman gagawin yun. Anyway, guys, good night. Tomorrow, I'm gonna post another picture from the Careline because dinelete ko yung isang part ng, di ba, carousel yung sa Careline na pinost ko, like, multiple picture siya. May dalawa ko dinelete doon kasi gusto ko i-upload tomorrow yung no filter. Kaya, yeah, abangan nyo. Kasi naman, late nag-reply yung family ko. Lahat sila mas gusto yung may walang filter. Tapos yung naka-smile ako. So, yeah, i-re-upload ko. Wala lang. Share ko lang sa inyo. Guys, tsaka sana ipagdasal nyo sana naman bukas yung karinderya kasi kanina nauwi ako sa may 7-Eleven. Handang-handa na ako kumain ng pakbet. Tapos pagbaba ko, sarado yung karinderya. Good night, Architect. Good night, Jessa. Good night, everybody. Good night, Siram. Good night, Mandagaratak. Good night, Yuri. Good night, Killer Smile. Good night, Fave Shane. Good night, good night, good night, Neil. Good night, Brandon Taran. Good night, Iros. Good night, Jessa. Good night, Camille. Good night, Gina. Good night, Violet. Good night, Wallace James. Good night, Mary Joy. Good night, Clea May. Popoy Manalansan. Good night, Shashe. Good night, Leah. Good night, Radicho. Good night, Ses. Good night, KJ. Good night, Ramon Malan. Good night, Maxibu. Good night, Quartz. Good night, MJ Makalinga. Good night, 444. Good night, Joan Zakam. Good night, Harper. Good night, Makapapak. Good night, Ali Fritz. Good night, Uizi. Good night, Grace27. Good night, Karen. Good night, Ellie. Good night, Jerry Rosales. Good night, Rose Martinez 595. Good night, Lisa B. Good night, Rain Valenzuela. Good night, my Mai. Good night, Ivy. Good night, damn. Good night, Katrina Abraham. Yun talaga yung pangalan niya, guys, damn. Good night, nakatulo na laway na emoji. Good night, Lord Garmadon. Good night, Kefai. Good night, Jazz. Good night, Jay. Good night, Ethel Joy Morales. Good night, Gina Seguira. Good night, Tina Santiago. Good night, Boo. Good night, Tisha Carol. Good night, Myra Texia Lozano. Good night, Anslina. Good night, Spidey King. Good night, Slash Lishi. Ano niyo ba? Wait lang. Sa pa. Ayan. Good night, Cheryl Morado. Good night, Risha. Good night, Wilma Bailon. Good night, Hazel May. Good night, Ganagan Grace. Good night, Anya. Good night, Wei Ann. Good night, Pippa Cliffs. Good night, Heya. Good night, Kuni. Good night, Columba Suerte. Good night, Lynn. Good night, Only Love Exists. Good night, Ann. Good night, user 1053099161905. Good night, Bummy. Good night, Maya B. Good night, Nelly Girl Shop. Good night, Rain. Good night, Angela Medina. Good night, Elle. Good night, Jem. Dennis Micah. Good night. Good night, Ellen. Good night, Giselle. Good night, Ashnia. Saludo kami sa iyo, nurse. Good night, Kay. Good night, Bacon Gallo. Good night, question mark times 3. Good night, Mitch Bielsa. Good night, Rian44. Good night, username. Good night, Jana. Good night, user 12336. 306-976-6571. Good night, Juliana. Good night, Diana. Good night, Arlene. Good night, Kize. Ay, natapos ko siya, guys. Good night, everyone. O, din para may na good night sa inyo today, just in case na walang na good night sa inyo. Ako na mag-good night sa inyo. I hope that you guys sleep today with a happy heart, and I hope that you... Good night, CDF. Good night. Oy, mandaragatak. Nag-ano ko sa'yo, Mark. Good night, Jake, Harvey. Good night, Joanne. Ayun, I hope that you guys sleep well tonight. Sana lahat ng mabigat sa puso nyo is isantabi nyo muna. And I'm very proud, like, sa inyong lahat. I may not know what you guys did today or yung achievements nyo, but let's just say that I'm proud because you're still here and you're still getting by. Life's not been that easy for everyone, and if you're one of those people who's like medyo naiipit ka ngayon sa mga sitwasyon mo, whether it's financially, personal life, relationships, family, studies, your career, or just with yourself or your God, I hope you heal from it, and kahit for tonight lang, clear your mind, ipahinga mo yung utak mo, clear your heart, and just give it to God. I'm proud of you for still being here. Continue being here. Continue living, because life's gonna get better. So, ayun. If no one told you today, you're doing enough. And you don't need to prove anyone anything. So if today all you did was lay down in your bed, exist, eat, cry, rest, and be a human, I'm still proud of you. Good night. Good night, guys. Love ko kayo. Pray first. Bye-bye.